Tonight we're making some fish and vegetable medley with organic spinach. You just drizzle it with some olive oil here. So this is some Mahi-Mahi I got at Costco. It's a wild caught fish. This is from Costa Rica. Some of the slices are about an inch thick and some of them are thinner. I'm going to put some shredded Parmigiano Reggiano on them. So in addition to the Parmigiano Reggiano, I have our herb dressing. It's organic cilantro. I chopped that up and added breadcrumbs, some grated Parmesan, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and olive oil. And then the final touch is some pitted black olives. And then this will go into a preheated 400 degree oven for, I'm going to say 15 to 20 minutes, normally 15, but these are thicker fillets. So here's this beautiful Mahi-Mahi fillet from Costa Rica, which I got at Costco. Organic spinach, Campari tomatoes, pitted black olives, and an herb dressing. Again, it's organic cilantro with the breadcrumbs, Parmesan, Dijon, olive oil. Enjoy.